Welcome to Leavenworth, Washington. This is an adorable little town nestled in the Cascades in the state of Washington. In the 1890s, this was a mining and lumber community, but in the second half of the 19th century, in the second half of the 20th century, railroads changed their routes and the town began to die. The officials of the town got together and started looking for other ways to rebuild the town, and they decided tourism. And they really went all for this whole Bavarian theme. The entire town looks like you're nestled in the Alps. It's so beautiful. We're sitting at the Rhine House. We're on the smallest, cutest little balcony patio area. Made really good use of all the space.
We're pretty cramped in here.
It's pretty small, but it's everything you need. There's a little place for your food and a beautiful view and beer.
What do we have here? This is the Drew Brew. It is a Kolsch. Pretty good. I haven't met too many beers I don't like.
I'm going in for this gigantic pretzel. It's the beer cheese first.
Let's give this delicious sausage a try. I think it's a German bratwurst. Yeah, very good. One for you too?
Give me your sausage.
You're done.
It's good.
Moving on. We're back at camp, and we're gonna cool off and enjoy our time here. I'm gonna show you around our campground a little bit. It's super cute. This campground is called 8 Mile, and it is full, completely full this weekend. There are people out everywhere for the 4th. That's awesome. But you know, starting next week, everybody better go home because I want all this stuff to myself. Since we had a late lunch, snack, whatever you want to call it, pretzel and fries.
All the carbs.
All the carbs. I'm not really feeling hungry right now. I'll
Sure, we'll snack later.
Or whatever. I'm about to start a fire. I would say start a fire, but I'll turn on my fire. There's a burn ban right now. I know we can start a propane fire. We'll enjoy this perfectly beautiful evening.
It is beautiful. Are we going back to town maybe?
I don't know. Kind of had my eye on some of those pastries. It always goes back to the carbs.
We should probably find some chocolate too.
Absolutely. Good morning. So because we love it so much here, we're back for a second day in Leavenworth. And we're going to play golf. Let's tee it up. Woo! It's like hitting 400 yards today. Oh, did I make this? Say miniature course.
These should all be hole-in-ones, right?
Right, coming at you.
Okay. I can count that. Let's see what I got. Let's try again. Yay! Woo!
Winner. Hole 18. This is my championship moment. Hole in one coming up. So close.
Hey, I can edit it. There is no amount of editing that can handle that.
Safe to say we won't be getting our PGA Tour cards anytime soon, but if the Mad Magazine Tour comes along,
We're in.
We're in, man.
Listen, I won. I had to carry the camera and the bag and film. I think I won.
She probably won anyway. Back for round 2 of Leavenworth and golf. Now we're back for round 2 of sausages.
They needed a pint.
Needed a pint. I'm picking the Hofbrau Dunkel, German traditional beer.
I have the Dirty Face Amber. Crisp and sweet.
And the Hofbrau's creamy, very mild, very drinkable.
Very delicious.
So she has the Big Bob bratwurst, just an American style German bratwurst. And I have the pretzels.
Yeah.
And then some German potato salad.
And
the rump. Called potato salad.
got these big pieces of potato.
It's a little sweet, creamy, chunky style, of course. A little bit of dill, bacon. Now let's try this sausage. The white sauce is really good. It's very mild. It's a white German sausage. It's grilled, got a little bit of snap. It's meaty, not a lot of fat. The bun is very soft, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Mustard is a sweet hot mustard, more sweet than hot, but it's very tasty. Completes it, really good. All right.
Yours is better than mine.
The regular brat is a little more fatty, a little more coarse ground, but it's got real hearty flavor. It's really good.
Sandy, Willamette, and Hood River too. Roll on, Columbia, roll on. Sing with me.
Roll on, Columbia, roll on. Well, I have to have that English baked coffee. And the sea salt caramel? Dark chocolate. That'll do. Well, we've been up and down this quaint little German style town, and it's amazing.
So fun.
Lots to do, lots to shop, lots to eat, lots to eat, lots to eat. Speaking of, go check out the ice cream place because there's always a line there, and the line is not as long as it has been. So let's check it out. Did I mention it's hot out here? Good grief. My neck is on fire. Put my hood on. That about wraps up our fun down. Well, is it really downtown?
I don't know.
I'm not sure.
In town.
In town, German town, Leavenworth. We'll see you back at camp.
That blackberry sauce, amazing.
We decided to walk down this path and see the river here. Don't remember what this river is, do you?
Nope.
It's really clear. It's pretty.
It is very cool tonight. Breezy. Sounds really nice. running through the trees. I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight.
Well, I think that's all the fun I can take for a day. I'm about ready to call it.
Good night.
Good night.